For a dependable and hassle-free dumpster rental in Asheville, North Carolina, Rock Creek Containers is here to handle all your waste management needs. Whether you're renovating a home, cleaning up a construction site, landscaping, or decluttering a garage, Rock Creek Containers has the perfect dumpster to simplify your task. Our range of dumpster sizes ensures that every project is manageable. From minor home cleanups to large-scale construction debris removal, we have the perfect fit for you. Our team guarantees prompt delivery and hassle-free pickup, allowing you to concentrate on your project without interruptions. At Rock Creek Containers, it's more than renting a dumpster. It's about delivering a seamless, customer-centric experience. With our transparent pricing and years of trusted service in the Asheville area, we are committed to providing you with reliability, affordability, and exceptional care. There are no hidden fees, just honest and dependable service. Ready to get started? Visit our website at www.rockcreekcontainers.com dumpster rental Asheville NC or call 828-692-9017 to speak with our friendly team. Whatever your project, we're here to make waste disposal the easiest part. Let Rock Creek Containers be your go-to solution for dumpster rental in Asheville, North Carolina, and experience the difference of working with a team that truly cares.